Late for work. Tom, wake up.
What time is it?
It is 8:15.
What? 8:15?
Yes, you are late for work.
Oh no, I overslept.
Your alarm didn't ring?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
You need to get up now.
I'm so tired.
You don't have time.
You're right.
Hurry up.
Where are my clothes?
They are on the chair.
Thank you.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
I will make it quickly.
Thank you.
Did you prepare your bag?
No, I didn't.
I can help you.
That would be great.
Your keys are on the table.
I see them.
Here is your coffee.
Thanks.
Do you want breakfast?
No, I don't have time.
At least take a banana.
Okay, good idea.
Are you ready?
Almost.
You should leave now.
Yes, I'm going.
Don't forget your phone.
Oh, right.
Now you are ready.
Thank you for waking me up.
No problem.
I hope I'm not too late.
Drive safely.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
Buying water. Hello,
Hello. What can I get you?
I would like a bottle of water, please.
Of course. Small or large?
Large, please. I'm very thirsty.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's cold in here.
Yes, it is.
It's really hot outside today.
I know it's very hot.
I feel so tired in this weather.
Me too. It's not easy to work today.
The air conditioning is great.
Yes, it helps a lot.
I feel much better in here.
Same here.
Do you get a lot of customers today?
Yes, many people come in for cold drinks.
I understand. I need cold water too.
This one is very cold.
Perfect. I love cold water on hot days.
Me too.
How much is it?
It's $2.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
At the tattoo studio. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment for a tattoo.
Sure. What kind of tattoo do you want?
I want a small tattoo.
Okay. What design?
I would like a tattoo of my dog.
Your dog.
Yes, a small picture of my dog on my shoulder.
That sounds nice. Do you have a photo?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Very cute dog.
Thank you.
Before we continue, I need to ask, are you over 18?
Yes, I am.
You look very young.
I understand. I have my ID with me.
Great. Can I see it?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Okay, you are 23. Great.
Yes,
So, where do you want the tattoo?
on my shoulder.
And small, right?
Yes, small.
Okay, when would you like to come?
Maybe next week?
I have time next week.
What day?
How about Tuesday?
That works for me.
At 4 p.m.?
Yes, that is perfect.
Great. I will book you for next Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
Is this your first tattoo?
Yes, it is.
Don't worry. Many people say it is not bad.
Really?
Yes, and your tattoo is small.
That is good.
It will be quick.
That makes me feel better.
You will be fine.
Thank you.
See you next Tuesday.
See you. Ordering pizza. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let me check the fridge.
Okay, what do we have?
Not much.
Really?
We have some milk and one egg
That is not a meal.
and some old cheese.
Don't eat that.
Yes, I will not.
We need to go grocery shopping.
Yes, we do.
But I'm too hungry now.
Same here. I can't wait.
What can we eat now?
We can order food.
That is a good idea.
What do you want?
Maybe pizza?
Pizza sounds perfect.
Yes, I really want pizza.
Okay, let's order.
What kind of pizza do you want?
I like chicken, onion, and corn.
Corn on pizza?
Yes, it is good.
Okay.
What about you?
I want mushrooms and ham.
Classic.
Yes, I love it.
Do we order 2 pizzas?
Yes, one for you and one for me.
Good plan.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
That is too long.
We can wait.
I will be very happy when the pizza comes.
Me too.
Next time, we need food at home.
Yes, lesson learned.
Okay, order now.
I'm ordering.
Perfect. Returning a hairdryer. Hello?
Hello. How can I help you?
I want to return this hairdryer.
Okay, what is the problem?
I bought it 2 days ago.
I see.
It worked yesterday, but today it doesn't work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I don't know what happened.
Did it fall?
No, it didn't.
Did it get wet?
No, not at all.
Okay,
It just stopped working.
I understand. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check.
Sure.
Okay, I see it here. You have a 2-year warranty.
That's good.
I can make a return for you.
Okay.
Do you want a refund or a new hairdryer?
I want a new hairdryer, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
I'm sorry about this situation.
It's okay.
I hope this doesn't happen again.
Me too.
I will get you a new one.
Great, thank you.
Here is your new hairdryer.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
First time on a plane. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm sorry. This is my first time on a plane.
That is okay. How can I help?
I didn't hear the instructions very well.
No problem. What would you like to know?
Where is the oxygen mask?
It is above your seat.
Above my seat?
Yes, it will drop down in an emergency.
Oh, I see. And where is the life jacket?
It is under your seat.
Under the seat?
Yes, right under your seat.
Okay, thank you. I'm a little nervous.
That is normal for a first flight.
Yes, I feel a bit stressed.
Don't worry, you are safe.
Thank you. And I'm sorry for so many questions.
That is okay. I'm here to help.
Can I order something to eat?
Of course.
Great.
I will bring you the menu in a moment.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Ordering food on the plane. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm hungry. Can I order something to eat?
Of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Do you want something to drink first?
Yes, I would like some water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Okay. And for food?
I can't decide. What do you recommend?
The chicken sandwich is very good.
Okay, I will try the chicken sandwich.
Do you want anything on the side?
What do you have?
We have chips or a small salad.
I will take the salad.
Great. And a dessert?
Maybe just coffee later.
No problem. Would you like cream or sugar with coffee?
Just sugar, please.
Okay. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Good. Your order will come in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your chicken sandwich, salad, and water.
Wow, thank you. It looks great.
Enjoy your meal.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again.